to study about the root modifications. In some plants, the roots change their shape and structure and become modified to perform the functions other than absorption and conduction of water and minerals. These are called root modifications. Some important root modifications are A. Epiphytic roots, B. Paracytic roots, C. Nodular roots, D. Photosynthetic roots. A. Epiphytic roots. The small plants which are living on the surface of other trees for shelter and sunlight are called epiphytes. An epiphyte has two kinds of adventitious roots. A. Clinging roots and B. Velamen roots. The clinging roots are unmodified, small, branched roots. They help in fixation of the epiphyte in the crevices of the branch of the host tree. The velamen roots are modified, long, and freely hanging in the air. These roots are meant for absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. They contain a dead tissue called velamen, which absorbs moisture. Velamen tissue is a multi-layered epidermal tissue. Example, Vanda. B. Paracytic roots or Haustoria. The adventitious roots produced by parasitic angiosperms are called parasitic roots. These roots are for the absorption of necessary requirements from the host plant. Striga is a partial root parasite. Rafflesia is a complete root parasite whose flowers emit rotten meat smell to attract the pollinating agents. Viscum is a partial stem parasite. Cuscutter is a complete stem parasite. In partial parasites, their haustorial roots extend only into the xylem of the host to obtain water and minerals. In complete parasites, their haustorial roots extend both into the xylem and phloem of the host to obtain water, minerals, and food materials. C. Nodular roots. Roots having nodules are called nodular roots. Nodular roots are seen in many leguminous plants. Nitrogen-fixing Rhizobium bacteria live in such nodules. Rhizobium bacteria converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia and supplies to the plant. In return, the plant supplies food materials and provides shelter to the bacterium. In plants like Araches, Dolichos, this type of association, called symbiosis, is present. D. Photosynthetic roots. The roots which assimilate carbon dioxide to synthesize carbohydrates are called photosynthetic roots. They are also called assimilatory roots. The photosynthetic roots are chlorophyllous. In Taeniophyllum, the assimilatory roots are the modified velamen roots. In Taeniophyllum, the stem and leaves are reduced.